Okay, guys, I think we are live. I believe we are live, guys. Let me go ahead and hit this and get you guys in this piece. You all know what we do. And let's make sure everything is situated right. Let me see here. Okay, let me see here. You all stay with me. This video says it is private and it should be live. It's always a technical difficulty. Okay. So anyway, hopefully it's live, guys, and we'll see what's up. If you're coming into the chat, welcome back. Welcome back. This is Mike Favors here, and we're talking about becoming essential. We're talking about Bitcoin. We're talking about the crypto space. We're talking about SHIB and Doge and Ethereum. And so I want you all to understand what's going on and what's taking place. Okay, so if any of you all are on, do me a favor and write or type in the chat. It's live. We can see it, or just say something, put a thumbs up so you can let me know that you're here, and I'll get ready and go right to the charts. But I don't want to continue if, in fact, everyone can't get in. I'll just go out and start it back over. I think we can, though. I think we can. And so if I can write in the chat, I think we're good. Okay, so anyway, guys, I'm going to just go ahead and see what happens here. And I want you all to really pay attention to this because I got so much to share with you and to show with you. So the first thing first, as always, we're going to go over here to the chart. I'm going to share my screen, and we are going to the charts. Now, let's start with Bitcoin, guys. You all see this. We do this, and I want you to understand that everything, hello, okay, thank you. So that means you all are good. All right, so let's don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. I appreciate that, and turn the notifications on. All right, so let's just see what happened. We are seeing this, and I want you to notice there's a pattern. Okay, the topic of this is Bitcoin is doing, it has to shake off, is shaking the tree so that the big move can happen. And I want you all to pay attention over here. Every time from this point, I'm on a 1 hour chart. Let me blow this up a little bit so you all can see it. Every time Bitcoin's, even from over here on in February, on that Wednesday, made a move up, came down, shook it off, then comes up. Consolidates, ranges a little bit, then comes down, then moves, consolidates here for a few weeks, and then it pops up, and then it comes down. Pops up, breaks the new high for a quick second, comes all the way down, then bounces right back up within that same candle, opens here, goes up. Now, remember how I told you all that the market moved? Remember I told you all that the markets move like this, which means it makes higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low. And then it also moves like this, right? It makes lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So then I want you to see the pattern. And once again, this is how I find my buy zones, guys, because, let me get off of that. Because once it opens up, let me open that up, and it begins to move like this. It did it here. High, low, come up, then it moves. Then it goes down again. That's just the buy zone to shake the tree before the big move. It shook it here, then it moved. It shook it here, then it moved. It shook it here, then it moved. So guess what? We hit a high this morning, and then it shook it off, but then look at what's happening. Then it moved, okay? And so these are buy zones, guys. I can't stress this enough that you cannot get afraid and do scared sales. And I'm going to show you what's really causing these pumps like this, these spikes, because you got the ETFs, the Bitcoin ETFs that's doing something. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. I found that out. All right, so we see Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin do this, then what happens? Normally Bitcoin does this, then the altcoins move, and then the meme coins move. Then, but you see today, you all, the meme coins are kind of moving with Bitcoin just a few days or a few hours behind it, I believe. So now let's go how. Let's look at Doge. Doge did the same thing. Go up, pop down, up, pop down, up, pop down. And so they're creating these, if you can see it, it's close to this previous high right here. So We can see that. We can expect that. All right. Hello, hello. I see y'all in the chat. How y'all doing? Okay. Let's look at Ethereum very quick. We see we see the same thing. Now, guys, once again, I want you all to pay attention to the patterns. So number one, if you're a beginner in this piece, you don't get scared and watch. So this is what happens. Somebody get in up here, then they come down here, they get scared, then they sell. And that is very unfortunate because as soon as they sell, it comes back up. So they may take a day or they come back up, it's up here, then they get in again and come down again, it come down, and they repeat that vicious cycle. You do not want to do that, guys. You want to just be patient and hold it, okay? And so now, same thing with SHIB. And y'all know I spend a lot of time in SHIB looking at these charts. Right now, price, as the time of this video is Thursday, March 14th at 4:27 p.m. Price is 403167 in SHIB. But I want you to see something. It did the same thing. Can you all see that? It did the same thing. It's still trying to get back to that high, but it's ranging in this area from here. Y'all see this? Well, I got this zone right here. From here to this one down here, prices coming in. So if it come back down like one right here, right here, right here. Pop quiz, guys. What do you call this area right here? Let me see if y'all paying attention to your boy. In the chat, what's this area? What's this area? Y'all writing? What's this area? See, if you said buy zones and you've been paying attention, these are the buy zones. So watch this. It's down here. Come up to here, you win the money. If it come back down here and you buy in again, you still in the money from this one as well as this one now. It go up a little higher. Ooh, I see some good returns. Good, take a few profits if you want to. I wouldn't because I want to come up to here. But it comes back down to here, you still in the money. But here's what I want you to see. This low is higher than this low and this low. That's a good sign. So what happens when you come up here, you pick up the gains from this entry, and this entry, good y'all. And I need you all to understand this, all right? Now, why is it that these big spikes are happening? If you go to a website, found this, I've been studying this website, looking at this piece called DL News, okay? They have a article here. And I want to just show you this, you all. It says Coinbase analysts say Bitcoin's upcoming halving event is different this time. Well, the reason is because you all, Bitcoin is already running up. They was expecting to happen after, I mean, the run up to happen after the Bitcoin, after the halving of Bitcoin, but it's running up already. And let's read. We believe it's for a reason. Watch this. Prior halving events have witnessed heightened volatility as Bitcoin supply struggled to meet demand. Analysts point to increased liquidity from spot Bitcoin ETFs, guys, as a foundation for sustained growth. So those ETFs are affecting what normally is going on in the Bitcoin. So now watch. Investors now look towards the upcoming halving, an event designed to shrink the crypto's currency supply and, in theory, drive up the price. But here's what I want you all to see. Watch this now. This is what I want you to see. The halving estimated to occur on April 20th will cut distribution in half, which Coinbase says sets the stage for market tightness in the near term. So here's what's happening. Where is it? Somebody just distracted. Okay, here it is right here. So miners currently create about 900 new Bitcoin per day, worth about 65 million using today's price. Now, the net flows hit over 1 billion on Tuesday. So the halving estimated to occur on April 20th will cut distribution in half. But what's the problem, guys? Basically, what I'm trying to tell you all is this. They are producing and moving more than is being created. Okay. So then every time the ETFs buy and sell, they spot buy and they like scalping. They buy it, let it run up, and then they sell it off, guys. So that's why you see those big moves. And that's one of the reasons why I believe we're seeing moves like this, and then it comes right back up because they selling at the top, and people, retail traders, as well as industrial traders, institutional traders rather, and then they go and buy it again down here. So they scalping these moves, guys, and they making millions coming up in this range, okay? And so it's important for you and I to understand. Very quick video right here. I'm about to get off of here. But it's important that we understand, guys, that do not get afraid. This is what has to happen, okay? While it's happening, what I want you to do is to strategize. And you can use my strategy, you can use someone else's strategy. But the most important thing is, guys, is to see it, set it, and dollar cost average so it won't bother you. Okay. Now, I'm not chasing all the other coins. I know there's so many others out there. My portfolio consists of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and SHIB right now, and a little Ethereum. Okay. And I have my reasons why. I still got my stocks. I still got my dividend stocks that pay every month. So your boy is okay. But this is about you. I want you to be okay, being able to do the same thing. So as always, guys, if you got any questions or whatever, leave me a comment down below. I appreciate all the subscribers. Clap it up. Don't forget to check out some of the other videos that I'm putting up. I'm posting mindset. I'm posting, entrepreneurial business content for you guys. So you got a nice little piece right now. I've been doing this for a while, so you got a nice little database over there where I've been putting up stuff about books and, like I said, how to encourage and increase your self-worth. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate that. We want to always remember to be essential, do essential things, and you will have essential results. It's Doc Favors.